Hi there, my name is Roxane Webster with my home team at Keller. And I'm not only a real estate agent, I'm a real estate planner, which means I work with folks to develop a long-term plan for their retirement, for their legacy considerations, and have been doing so for years. I love it. I'm really passionate about wealth and legacy building through real estate. Obviously, when having those conversations, there are a bunch of things that I have no business talking to people about, like financial planning, taxes, trusts, things that are way above my pay grade, but that are absolutely a part of that conversation. So I am always building a stable of great attorneys, great CPAs, great financial planners, and for that matter, great move specialists, decluttering people, vendors. If you've got folks that I should be talking to who can help me have these conversations with one of the largest growing demographics there are, I would really appreciate it. Please send me your great movers, your great painters, your great landscapers, trust attorney, financial planners, CPAs, that I can keep building this network of intelligent real estate planning.